Where's that? There? There, small monkey, look.
Yeah, baby monkey.
Yeah. Guys, today we're going for a hiking at Hillview Road. So, imimit ko yung aking friend today dahil decide kami na magha-hiking. This is the place where we're going.
The dairy farm.
Yes, we're going to the dairy farm.
Some calories. Food we ate during Christmas. We feasted during Christmas.
Or this is green and all green.
It's greenery everywhere.
Yeah, all green. Walking to go back to the track. Oh, this is so nice. So quiet. Oops. Ooh. Careful. Wow. It's so cooling. Very cooling. Look at the place, guys. Go on. Hey, what is it? Something jumped on the trees. Oh, there. Look at that. It's behind. There. It's gone. Open. Serene. Yeah, very peaceful. Hi! Hi, friends! Their mother is up. What's this tree? Lemon? Lemon?
I don't think so.
Seems like. No, it's not. It's not. You see that monkey? Oh my god! That's a monkey, guys! Wow! The two little monkey. Yeah, there. Yeah, they're. See that? Wow, really? Yeah, did you see the little monkey? Yeah, the little monkey. Yeah, they're playing. I think they're family, is it? Yeah. See. Wow, they're so cute. Wow, oh, wow. They're showing their ability. Yeah, their climbing skills. God, the one is the mommy, I think. The mother monkey. Wow. See the small little monkey. What's that? Wow, there. Look at that place. It's totally nice. We are towards the end of our hiking, and then we walked for almost 2 hours, and now we're looking for a food. So see you later. I hope you enjoy our video, my video anyway. So my video. I'm sweating a lot, so later I will change before we take our lunch. See you later, guys. We're already outside the forest, so it's time for the Makan. Okay, so it's time to eat. So we are going to eat here.